Welcome to a place where every day begins with a breathtaking view. Perched above the Pacific in the coveted Palos Verdes Shores community, the kitchen is a true heart of the home, designed for both effortless living and inspired cooking, drawing your eye to sweeping ocean and Catalina Island vistas. Expansive glass doors invite you to linger. Step inside and sense the calm, natural light pours across open living spaces. The living and dining areas flow together with soaring ceilings, recessed lighting, and easy care floors, creating a perfect setting for gatherings or quiet evenings at home, letting the sea breeze drift in while you unwind or entertain against a sunset backdrop. Granite countertops, rich wood cabinetry, and stainless appliances surround a welcoming island and breakfast bar. Retreat to the primary suite, where waking up means gazing out to the horizon. A spa-inspired bath with dual sinks and a walk-in shower offer comfort and privacy. The second bedroom, currently a media room, opens directly to the deck. The third bedroom adapts to your needs, whether for guests, a home office, or a personal gym, with its own ensuite bath. Step outside to the expansive back deck, your personal sanctuary. Multiple seating areas, including a covered gazebo and lounge, invite you to soak in panoramic ocean views from sunrise to dusk. Lush gardens and pet-friendly spaces wrap the home in tranquility, while practical touches like 3 storage sheds, a laundry room, and 4-car covered parking make daily living effortless. Here, each moment is elevated by the beauty of the coast and the comfort of thoughtful design. Beyond your doorstep, Palos Verdes Shores offers an unmatched, amenity-rich lifestyle. Enjoy a private golf course, heated pool, tennis courts, gardens, fitness center, and vibrant community events. Nearby, discover convenient access to shopping, dining, medical services, and major freeways. Imagine mornings on the deck, evenings with friends, and a community that feels like home.